Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 2135 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear in this kind of window. Okay, we just have to wait before we can proceed. And once it's here, please hit the open option to continue. So in a few moments, you will be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. We just have to wait until everything are set here. Okay. And once the search bar is being available, please type for HP DeskJet space ink space advantaged space 2135. Once you're done typing, hit the enter key so that you will be directed to the result. So you'll be able to see a result which is under support.hp.com, which is the official website for HP. All you need to do is you need to click on the link. And in that way, you would be able to see the HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 2135 all-in-one printer. So now, just have to scroll down on this window, and the moment you've scrolled down, you need to proceed to this installation software and fuller basic driver supports, print and scan functionality. So we just have to click on this down icon and you would be able to see this one. Just hit the download option so that you can download it. In my case, I have already downloaded it. Okay. So if I'll go with my three dots here and if I'll click on downloads, it will be showing up here. So in your case, you just have to wait until it will be downloaded. Once it is being downloaded, click on this folder icon to show it in folder, and eventually you would be redirected to this kind of location. So from here, just click on this cat icon, close the window as well as this one, and at the desktop, please make a right click and go with this paste icon. Now, the moment we have pasted it here, let's move on the extraction of this file. So by that, please make a right click, and all you need to do is you need to scroll down and wait until this would be showing up here. Okay, and please select on extract to. So we just have to wait until the extraction process will be finished before we can continue to the installation. So from here, a new file folder would be created, meaning we have successfully extracted it. Now let's move on to the settings. So by that, please make a right click here at the start icon, and then you need to scroll up and click on the settings. Once you have bring up the settings, navigate to the left side of that. You can see there Bluetooth and devices. Please click on it. And under the Bluetooth and devices, you need to proceed with the devices to open up the devices settings. So here are the devices settings. All you need to do is you need to scroll down on the list and proceed with this option called more devices and printer settings. And eventually you'll be able to see this kind of window where here you can see the devices that includes the printers that you have installed here in your Windows PC or laptop. So let's proceed to the top of that. You can see there other printer. Please click on it so that you would be able to bring up this kind of window. Proceed with the bottom side of that, which you can see the printer that I want isn't listed. So click on it, and in that way you would be able to find a printer by other options. Please choose this one, which is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. And the moment you have marked it blue here, meaning you have selected it, go with next, and click on this down arrow key to choose among of this three USB port. Okay, yes, you need to choose among of this three USB port, no other than that. Okay, so in my case, I'll be using USB 001. Once you have set it, go with next, go with have disk, and from here, click on browse. And since our extracted file is being located at the desktop, then by that navigate to the desktop, and here at the desktop, please scroll down and locate this one. So double tap to it and it will show you the driver here. Just select any of this. This driver functions similarly, so all you need to do is you need to select any of that. So go with open, click on OK, and it will show you here the disk jet. So don't be confused. It shows here 2130. Yes, 2130 works for 2135 also. So no worries for that. So just have to click on next and you can rename that into 2135 series. Go with next and you can now install the printer. So we just have to wait until this is finished. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue to the installation. So wait for a few minutes until this process would be done. Once done, please allow for printer sharing. Go with next. And if you would like to set it as your printer, default printer, you can check the box. In my case, I'm leaving it unchecked since I don't want to. So go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP DeskJet 2135 series in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window as well as this one, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.